You can record your activities on the computer screen using a free software called monosnap. So search for monosnap, download. Then here is the link monosnap.com, and then download for Windows if you're using Windows, or Mac if you're using Mac. So I have downloaded the installer. So let me install it. Next, agree. And here all you need is just the first option, create a desktop shortcut. Next, install. Yes. And then installation starts. It may take a few minutes, and then once all done, shortcut should appear on your desktop. So in the next video, I'll show you how to use this one to record the computer screen activities.